Hi, welcome to this video, Dave, which is all about young millionaire Forex traders and also Forex trading lifestyle. Now, if you look those search terms up on YouTube, you'll find that two of the most heavily searched in relation to currency trading. And people are wanting to know how much money they can really make trading the Forex markets. Now, in terms of this, yes, you can make really good money trading the Forex markets. However, in terms of the so-called young millionaire Forex traders, be very suspicious of what they say in their videos and how you can make money, because none of them that I've seen have ever traded. Certainly if they're selling the dream of a luxury lifestyle. Now I just want to go through being realistic about the Forex markets, how much money you really can make, and also why those young millionaire Forex traders have not made the money that they claim. So let's switch to a quick storyboard, some points to go through, and then you'll see the reality of what Forex trading is all about. And it's a very good reality as well. It's just not the one portrayed by the young millionaire Forex traders. Right, let's have a look at the so-called young millionaire Forex traders and what you need to be aware of. Now, there are young traders who have made lots of money, but you will not find them at the top of the YouTube searches saying what these people say. Now, in terms of what you need to be aware of, always keep in mind they're normally selling a strategy or course. It's going to be relatively cheap and it's going to promise you the good life. And you can make small amounts of money into big amounts pretty quickly, easily with their help. If they're as rich as they say, why are they actually sharing this with you? You've got to think about that, okay? There are legitimate strategies sold and courses, but they will basically be realistic in what you can make from Forex trading and so forth. And what you can make from Forex trading realistically is very, very good. I'll come to that in a moment, but no Forex trader or legitimate educator would get involved in putting up videos showing them driving around in flash cars, drinking champagne, throwing wads of notes around. If you want a perfect illustration of this, you just go to Forex Trading Lifestyle and see the videos there, or young Forex traders in South Africa. They're laughable. And when you look at these videos, if you've traded, these guys have not traded. Okay, they'll normally claim small deposits, a few hundred or under 1,000. Normally, you can make that into a large amount quickly, like 100,000 or even 1 million. And think about it: top traders in history haven't been able to do that. Like your George Soros's, your Ray Dalio's, they wouldn't claim they can make that sort of money or get rich quickly. It's just not true. Okay, the strategies these people promote obviously don't work. What you've got is follow signals, follow set rules. It's easy, or basically sit down at a computer for an hour or two each day and scalp the markets and make a regular income. That's all myth. That's not reality. And go and look up the facts. Okay, you've always got to remember, if it looks too good to be true, it is too good to be true. And I think a lot of these people prey on people who really want to make money quickly and just prey on dreams. And that'd be particularly true when I look at the videos that come out of, say, South Africa or Africa. It's just not the reality. Okay. However, the good news about Forex trading, if you're realistic, is that anyone can learn to win. Forex trading, the best strategies are simple. Okay, so you don't need a high IQ. You don't need to have gone to university. Okay, now while simple Forex trading strategies work, okay, Forex trading isn't easy. You can do it, but it's not easy. When I say not easy, what you have to do is get the right mindset, and that is a choice. Okay, but the real problem with Forex trading is following your plan with discipline under pressure. Okay, and any great trader will say that. Everyone says, oh discipline is the key, or most Forex traders will say this. And A lot of new traders think, well, I'll just be disciplined when I come in the markets. Well, you will in time, I think, but when you're in your learning curve, you will make mistakes. You will run a loss or maybe cut a profit early when you shouldn't. Okay, it takes time. Take a good few months to get used to Forex trading, okay? But you can do it. Now, if you see it as a business, the percentage gains against your overhead are very good. Now, what I mean by that is, as a business, what do you need to set up a Forex business? You just need the capital for your trading account and an internet connection with a computer. That's all you need. Think of other businesses that get set up. They're going to need stock, staff, overhead, etc. Okay, you don't need that in a Forex trading business. Also, when most businesses expand, their overhead goes up. When you make more money in the Forex trading business, your overhead and the time you spend on your business stays the same. You just got more money, so you've got more profit potential. That's a fantastic advantage and very underrated in my view. Now, in terms of percentage gains, what can you realistically make if you come in and trade the Forex markets? Well, you might get the lucky trade where you do make a good amount of money in a short period of time. But yeah, if you're looking over the longer term, the amount of money I think that is realistic to make, and this comes from my 30 years experience, 50 to 100% per annum consistently. And that comes from traders that I've looked at, know, etc. A lot of people say, oh, that doesn't sound very much at all. It is, if you think about it and you think about the other great advantage of Forex trading, which is compound growth. And this is very rarely put up as a big advantage. What's compound growth? Well, it means as your money builds up, it starts to snowball. So, for example, if you had a $10,000 account, you made 100% per annum for 10 years, how much would you have? You'd have $1.4 million. Now, in terms of Forex, the percentage gain should always be seen against your starting equity. Okay, so yeah, you want to, if you want to work out compound growth and how it will affect your capital, just put whatever amount you've got in, maybe it's a few hundred, maybe it's 1,000, 10,000 or whatever, and you can see how your money really starts to build as you move forward. Okay, so Forex trading is more about getting rich slow than quick, but slow isn't that slow once compound growth starts to kick in. Okay, it takes time to build significant wealth. Okay, and I think this will be true of any business. You know, it's one of those things in Forex trading. It's now being put up as kind of a get-rich-quick arena, which it isn't. Okay, it is a fantastic business though, and I would say keep the points in mind that I've said, because yeah, if it looks too good to be true, it is. Okay, I think it goes for anything in life, not just Forex trading. Be realistic, check out the facts, do your own research, and if you do, you'll reach a similar conclusion, I think, to what I've said here. Now, in terms of learning Forex trading the right way, right strategies, how to get the right psychology, etc., you get a lot of free info from us. Just join our free mailing list on the link beneath this video and we'll send you more info. But that is the video for today. Thank you very much for watching me as usual. Take care. Have a good day.